Hey, it's Sakara for another edition of Rainbow in the Veins, week 6 now. I hope you have enjoyed every other week that we've done. This week, our theme, as you should know, if you've been watching the other videos, is 6 things that float our boat. Well, my 6 things are anchor, sail, wood, nails, gloss, crewmen. Yeah, that's it. No, I'm joking. Right. So my 6 things that float my boat. Jade and Dominique, they float my boat because they're pretty, smart, funny, two of my very best friends, and yeah, they just float my boat. Mainly because Dom is underneath my boat, and without her, my boat would not float. Oh. So it's between me and her. Yeah. I'm not harsh. Maybe a little. The OC. I mentioned it in my last video, but the OC floats my boat. And especially Alex, because I love her. I want to marry her. She's like a hardcore rocker. Yeah. Humour. I don't even know if I'm saying the right thing. Superheroes float my boat. I have a superpower stuff on in it. Batman cap. Wonder Woman underwear. Superhero noises. Gosh, violence. Yeah, I've got pajama trousers over there. I've got bed cover. I have hats, t-shirts, pajamas, teacups, mugs, normal cups, pants, socks, books, magazines, everything. Kat Von D. Kat Von D really floats my boat. I love her. Look. That is Kat Von D. Yeah, I think she's amazing. Tattoos float my boat. I love tattoos. So I'm going to add that onto the Kat Von D one because she does tattoos. Yeah. I have all my tattoos planned. Wild haircuts. I always have to have a weird haircut. It's either really big, really small, straight, curly, shaved, unshaved. Yeah, I got my haircut, as you can see. It's all along that side, and it's all short this side. And that is the shaved bit, which is pretty cool, because then it covers, and it looks pretty good. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Sorry it's been really boring, normally I'm really fun, but it's like 10 o'clock. It is actually 10 o'clock at night, and I've just been watching the OC. But yeah, so have a good week. Watch tomorrow's video, which is done. Watch the rest of our videos from Monday to Friday, and enjoy yourself. See you later.